What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Pope back at it again with another daily pack challenge. On today's episode, we have Ruler of the Black Flame. Top chases are Charizard EX, the Gold Charizard, or the Pidgeot EX. My personal chases are the Charizard EX, the Ninetales, or the Ripperoom EX. We got 2 packs today. We're going to rip and see what we can get. Pack number 1. Ooh. Got the Palafin. Pack number 2. And a Vespiquen EX. Thanks for watching. Comment down below what card you're chasing from this set. And don't forget to subscribe for your next daily pack challenge. Peace.